Imagine walking at the beach at night when you suddenly notice something sparkling. No, it's not from the sky, but because of the sea. Sparkles of neon blue, green, or red will surely catch your eye, and it's all because of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a natural chemical process that allows organisms to emit light in their body, such as our algae in focus today, Noctiluca scintillans. Before going to its hierarchy and classification, let's have a quick fact about the name of this algae, which came from two Latin words. Noctiluca, which is the genus, means something that shines at night, while scintillans, the specific epithet, means sparkling, a perfect name for a glow-in-the-dark organism. Now, let's look at its taxonomic classification. So, this species is from kingdom and subkingdom Comista, under the division Pyrophycophyta, or the dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are photosynthetic or mixotrophic unicellular motile algae characterized by a pair of flagella. It belongs to the class Dinophyceae and order Noctilucales. Its family Noctilucaceae and genus Noctiluca consists of only one species. You guessed it, Noctiluca scintillans. Moving on to its phylogeny, we can see that the dinoflagellates are actually a monophyletic group, meaning there is only one common ancestor. We could also see that Oxyris marina and scintillans diverge early within the dinoflagellates and are monophyletic with other core dinoflagellates, with high bootstrap values 98 and 100 respectively. So bootstrap values is like the confidence level of how many times the same branch is observed when repeating phylogenetic construction. Monophyly of the core dinoflagellates is, however, weakly supported, with a bootstrap value of only 51. So it is still uncertain if Noctiluca diverged before the core dinoflagellates. Now, let's move to the morphology of the organism. So Noctiluca scintillans is a unicellular organism, which looks like an inflated balloon. It has a spherical shape and the cell has a wide range of sizes, specifically 200 to 2000 micrometer in diameter. A big eukaryotic nucleus is found at the ventral groove, and cytoplasmic strands extend from it to the cell's border. A flagellum, a tooth, and a tentacle are housed in the ventral groove, which is deep and wide. The species has only one flagellum, while the tooth is a unique cell wall extension. Meanwhile, the tentacle is striated and reaches posteriorly. The cytoplasm is mostly colorless. However, the presence of photosynthetic symbionts can cause the cytoplasm to appear pink or green in color. Noctiluca scintillans reproduces both asexually and sexually through binary fission and generation of isogametes. This species has a diplontic life cycle, including diploid vegetative cells and haploid gametes. As for nutrition, it is non-motile and lacks chloroplast because it does not photosynthesize. It possesses a phagotrophic food vacuole that is frequently filled with prey species like diatoms and ciliates. Lastly, its geographical distribution is found in all waters of the world, ranging from tropical oceans to northern seas. So, why did I choose this algae? First and foremost, it has a cool appearance microscopically. It looks like an inflated balloon due to its colorless cytoplasm, while it also looks like a brain because of the cytoplasmic strands arising from the nucleus. It reminds me of my childhood when I used to buy a balloon after going to Sunday Mass, while the brain, well, it reminds me of my low IQ. So, scintillans play a critical role in the pelagic food chain. Many copepods, including Calanus sp and Temora sp, hunt on scintillans. They attract many predators due to their highly dense aggregations and frequent bioluminescence. Of course, let's go to the obvious reason why I chose this species. It is because of its bioluminescence. When luciferin and luciferase mix, they react with oxygen to generate a complex. A photon is then emitted by the luciferin. This chemical reaction in Noctiluca scintillans takes place in the organelle known as scintillons. Mainly, bioluminescence is produced in agitated waters. Although the real exact purpose of bioluminescence is still unknown, The hypothesized reason for it are for defense, camouflage, and seduction. Lastly, scintillans can cause rare algal blooms. The blooms of scintillans are classified as either red or green tides. Red tides are heterotrophic, but green tides have a photosynthetic symbiont called Pseudomonas noctilucaceae. While crimson tides in the North Pacific have been reported to be dangerous, green tides are non-toxic, despite causing low dissolved oxygen levels. Indeed, Noctiluca scintillans is a remarkable alga because of its beauty, bioluminescence, and its link to the ancient and modern dinoflagellates. This species can be used in studying the cause of bioluminescence and in studying the harms of different tides in different locations.